end of last week, I worked on putting together partnership agreement documents, which I finished. And I also made plans for the visit from our group from Sweden that are coming next week, which I mostly finished, but I've still got a little bit left to do. So I'm going to continue with that today, while I also put together some customized partnership and contribution documents and forms. And I'm also going to be corresponding with community members who have reached out with questions. See you next time.
Good morning. So last week, Alec and I ended the week by having an amazing meeting with a drone company from Singapore. We're actually talking about moving forward with a cooperation on a really exciting project, and we're going to have more details about that coming soon. I spent my weekend working on pull requests, both from the community and from from two of our developers actually, for new features, refactoring, better testing, a lot of great stuff. Today I'm giving a test to a new developer. I will be working with Andrew on one of our communication protocols, and I've started the day by preparing tasks for Abhishek, who's going to be working on the Block Explorer. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparty here. So yesterday my main focus was to work on the brand style guide, work with myself and then also some external team members and partners we have, get some feedback around that, do some research, and then also work on just general things as it pertains to strategy. Also worked on a few content pieces about some upcoming announcements we have coming out as well. Today my main focus was to work on the executive summary for the white paper, so we're doing some slight modifications to our white paper, which I'm working on there. And also we had a great call with a potential advisor as well, so stay tuned for a lot of exciting things in the coming weeks. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hey there, Daily Davers, Alec here. So we're having a great week here at DAV. I'm just trying to organize all the different inbound requests we're getting from companies that want to join the DAV Alliance. It's overwhelming. We're getting very positive feedback. Another thing, today our friends from Cryptocurrency Academy just came over. We had a discussion. We're trying to have a collaboration around potentially February, March. We'll get back to you shortly, and that's it. Bye guys.
Hi everyone. Today I'll start new task, mockup of building inspection app. This is one of my favorite trends in design a mobile app. Like all our project, it will be made essential minimalism and execution simplicity. It will be not big app, code inspector, and will allow people who own drones to receive notices of buildings and require inspection around them. Also, I'll plan work with our presentation DAV token. Have a nice day!